What's good, YouTube? It's your boy AC Coolin, aka Big AC, back again with yet another banger for y'all, man. Now this nigga I got in hand today, man, this shoe had so many rumors about it, man. It's been going from saying it was canceled because the details on the shoe couldn't be mass produced, to finally getting the release date, to getting pushed back, to all kind of stuff, man. But we here, got an official release date, did release a few days ago, but I finally got him in hand, man, and it's a shoe that many people don't really care for because of what it is, but at the same time, me personally, I'm a fan of it. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes less is more, and with this nigga, less is definitely more. But with all that being said, without too much further ado, man, that shoe I'm talking about is the Air Force One Low Nocta, aka CLB. Alright, y'all, you see the box, man. Real nice, like baby blue, powder bluish color box they got going on with it. Like we know, it kind of remind me like the color of the Tiffany Dunks, if y'all know what I'm talking about. But not too many crazy details in the box itself, except, you know, you do it on the top of the box. You have right here, it does say Nike, you know, of course, around the top, Air Force One. And then in the gold cursive, you got Love You Forever written like on top of that. So that's a nice little touch in my opinion. But other than that, nothing too crazy on the box as well. You know, you got your size tag right here. Y'all can see that right there. You got your little size tag. Nothing too out of the ordinary. Now these did retail for a hefty price tag of $160 if I'm not mistaken. So that's like, you know, a little bit above pricing for, you know, your typical Air Force One Low. But it is I guess a special project, so they say. And when y'all see these details, y'all see why. But the size tag does read Air Force One Low SP. Color is white, cobalt tint. So pretty much all white Air Force One. But enough about the box, man. Let's get into the details on what's inside the box. Now, you know, you got your Nocta paper. You know, you got your swooshes everywhere, and the Nocta logo all over this paper as well. So nice little touch to the paper. It feels like, you know, your regular typical paper. Well, it got like a nice, you know, little feel to it, but nothing too crazy. But what is crazy in my opinion, man, is these Air Force Ones, man. Now, you know, I know what y'all thinking, like, bro, it's just a pair of white Air Force Ones, like, what's so special about them? Yeah, you might think that, but it's not like a typical Air Force One, man. Like, the details, the materials, like, y'all can see, like, how soft this leather is, man. Like, this is some real soft, tumbled leather, like some premium leather. And it's not just around the upper of the shoe, it's like also around the whole tongue as well. Like on the back of the tongue, it's that same leather. Around the sock liner, it's that same leather. Like, it's leather around this whole entire like sneaker, like soft premium leather, you know what I'm saying? It doesn't feel like yo cheaply regular produced Air Force One Low. Now, a couple more small little details that I did notice, you know, off the back that kind of stood out to me was how the toe box kind of differs from a typical Air Force One Low. It's kind of got that like that Nocta design going, you know, with the dots instead of your typical, you know, how they are normal pair of Air Force Ones. But I like that little detail they got on there as well. And of course, on the bottom of these guys, man, if y'all can see that, the hearts that's all over the bottom of these, there you go. Get these, like, instead of stars, you get hearts all across the bottom of the sneaker, which is dope in my opinion. Like these little hearts, you know what I'm saying? It's a nice little subtle touch to this shoe, which I'm definitely a fan of. I'm definitely a fan of this sneaker. You know what I'm saying? Nothing, once again, like I said, it's not like no crazy colorway, but the details and the leather quality is definitely crazy. I almost forgot, but this other small little detail on the side right there where it says Love You Forever as well. So that's another nice little touch to this shoe that, you know, they really did their thing in my opinion with these Air Force Ones. Now this is a shoe that, since it is an Air Force One, it's a white Air Force One, you're not gonna be seeing me wear these, you know what I'm saying, 2, 3, 4, 5 times, stuff like that. This is a shoe that I'm gonna wear on special occasions, you know what I'm saying? Maybe they have some pictures or something like that, but just because of the fact that it's an all white Air Force One and they tend to get dirty really fast, I don't see myself wearing this sneaker like often or to a lot of different places. But like I said, only on special occasions, you know, and things like that. Now on the inside of the sneaker, you do have the Nocta and the Nike logo as well with that like cobalt colorway insole, which is, in my opinion, it's a nice little dope touch as well. But on the other shoes, when you start to see more of the details on the sneaker, now you do get a pair of extra laces with the metal tips on them, so that's a nice little touch in my opinion, more like a premium lace in my opinion compared to like your typical Air Force One lace. But you also get these beads that come with it with like letters of the alphabet and every, like I think it's like 1 through 9, something like that with the numbers. But you get every letter of the alphabet, pretty much, you know, all the numbers. So you can like, you know, play around with them, you know, maybe put a word or something together and you know, replace the lace locks right here with whatever you might decide you want to do with these beads, man. You know, that's up to y'all. But me personally, I probably won't do too much with the beads. You know, I don't really care for all that. But once again, though, like, definitely a beautiful shoe. You know what I'm saying? The all white look on this sneaker is definitely, you know, it's that luxurious look. You know what I'm saying? That Air Force One look. But it's not your typical Air Force One look, just because mainly because of the leather and like I said, once again, the small details on the sole of the shoe, the hearts and the love you forever across the side of it. That in my opinion alone sets this Air Force One out from a lot of different Air Force Ones. But definitely a shoe that I'm not mad about. You know what I'm saying? It wasn't ones I was like expecting to have in my collection, but now that I have it in my collection, I'm not upset. You know what I'm saying? I'm actually happy that I had these shoes in my collection. Like, once again, like I said, I'm not gonna be wearing them too much, but they still gonna get a lot of words out of me, man. They're still gonna get enough words to the point where they still look good. They don't look dirty and beat up, but at the same time, you know that, you know, I wear my sneakers. You know what I'm saying? I'm not one of those people who buy shoes and just put them up and never put them on. Like, you know, I have a lot of shoes, so, you know, I can't wear them all at once. But, you know, I eventually, you know, start putting more in my rotation. So this is a sneaker that I'm definitely gonna have, you know, on foot one of these days soon. Not, you know, make sure the weather is right, of course, too. I ain't gonna put these on this rain and snowing or something like that. So this is a shoe that the sun has to be, you know, shining. The weather got to be perfect. Got to be dry outside. Nothing too crazy going on outside the weather. But this definitely one of them ones right here. Definitely a shoe that kind of glad to have in my collection. Once again, that didn't know I was gonna have, but ended up getting them for a great price as well. You know what I'm saying? So that's another thing I'm happy about. But as always, man, I appreciate y'all watching my videos and tuning in to my channel. And don't forget, man, that giveaway, man. I'm telling y'all, man, y'all don't want to miss out on this giveaway. You got an Air Jordan 1 Lost and Found giveaway, you know, size 7 wise to GS pair. So do what y'all want to do with it. It's like, once again, it's free. All you do is just sub to my channel, man. You know, don't just watch the video, sub to my channel. I got so much more content coming for y'all, man, you know, in the near future. Gonna change a lot of things around and do a lot of different stuff. So make sure y'all tune in. Make sure y'all, you know, y'all helping your boy out, man. Helping me get my subscribers up, helping me get more, you know, my algorithm going, helping more people see who I am and see what I got, you know, for the people. You know what I'm saying? I'm a sneakerhead for the sneakerheads, you know what I'm saying? Or even for people who don't really know much about sneakers, I'm here to, like, you know, help y'all see more and more sneakers and help y'all get more in tune with sneakers. You know what I'm saying? If that makes sense. But as always, man, I appreciate y'all for watching my videos, tuning in. But don't forget, man, make sure y'all smashing that like button, that subscribe button, that share button, y'all telling a friend to tell a friend, all that, man, because like I said, I got content coming. I'm constantly rolling in with the content. So, and I appreciate y'all for the ones who do tune in, for the ones who do share, man. Like, y'all really getting my subscribers up. You know, I'm almost at 400 subscribers. So with that being said, with that giveaway, I might do a little different thing with that as well. So y'all stay tuned, man. Y'all make sure y'all keep subscribing, man. Y'all just, you know, help me help you. You know what I'm saying? But as always, y'all, I appreciate y'all for tuning in to my channel. And I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one, man. Peace.